Hey guys, Savannah here from Planner Press. I want to show you how I make the side tab dividers from the February Digital Dash box. They are so fun and so easy, but they add such a cute look to your monthly setup. So first you're going to go in and pick your size. We have all the different planner sizes and you're going to want to print those out. I personally like printing them out on a thicker cardstock, and then you're going to go in and make the cut files for the laminate. So you can choose, I go individually one by one. And what I do is I make a box that is roughly the size of your insert. So this is a personal ring bound, so it's 3.675 by 6.75. That I line up with the edge of the tab, and what I'll do is highlight all of that, and I will do an outline. So I want to make a 0.25 at least outline around that, and that will kind of group everything together. And then I take that outline and I move that to the center and the others to the side, and then I duplicate that and I mirror the image. So basically what you're going to do is create kind of like a back and front out of a piece of laminate, and you're going to cut that out to create like a sandwich for the divider. So I go through and I do that for all of the dividers, all the tabs. And then what I do is I will go in and cut those out individually. So you can see there it has like the lines. This is so much easier than laminating it and cutting it afterwards. It does take a little bit more like lining up, and when you're getting it to before it goes into the laminator, making sure it's like super lined up so that it doesn't get all weird. Next step would be to cut out your actual side tabs, and here you can see it cuts out so perfectly and beautifully. I love this because it kind of reverse weeds itself as you pull the side tabs up. All the little inside the letters will stick to the mat, and you don't have to do any crazy weeding like you can see right there. It's so perfect. I love this. These are super minimal. You can use this to make your own and do like big letters. Here is the laminate sheet. So what I'm doing is I'm separating the laminate pouch, and you're going to use one side only. You're going to want to put this down so that the super slick part is on the mat and like the adhesive part is facing up. And so you cut that out and you'll get two sides, and because you mirrored it, it will fit perfectly together. And I'll show you that right here, how you just basically sandwich it together. So they fit together just like that. And next you're gonna want to, this part takes a little bit. So you're gonna lay this down. I lay the bottom one down on the table first, and then I take the cutout side tab and I'll lay that down. You can use a little bit of like sticky adhesive if you want to keep it situated right there, and you're gonna wanna put it just up enough so that there's still some laminate on the outside so it seals all the way. And once you have it lined up, it could take a while to get it perfect. You're going to put the other piece of laminate on top, and then now you're ready to laminate. So just make sure it's really lined up so that you don't get any like extra adhesive. I like to put it in a carrier sheet just in case I didn't line it up perfectly. It won't gum up the laminator. And ta-da! You have a perfectly made clear divider with beautifully cut out side tabs, and they're so fun to make. You can do anything with these. You can make them as they are. You can add foil, you can add glitter in between the laminate there in the middle. If you wanted to add things like that, you could put confetti in there. You could do dried flowers. It's endless possibilities. And so I just hole punch these, and then they are ready to put in your planner, and I love it. So I plan on adding these maybe every month or every other month, depending on what you guys think about them. I love